I'm going to take your watch off, okay?
But I did everything that you asked me to, right?
Left. Right.
Okay.
Please, sir, I can't have a DUI. Please.
Okay.
I'll do everything. I promise. Sir, I'm from Switzerland. I can't have a DUI, please.
Naomi Ferrer, a Hooters waitress from Switzerland, she's still wearing her Halloween costume when she was stopped by the police. It's not uncommon for DUI drivers to try to bribe the police officer to avoid consequences, but Naomi certainly took it a bit too far. On Sunday, October 30th, 2022, at almost 4 in the morning, Officer Klein from the Sarasota Police Department in Florida noticed a strangely behaving driver. He proceeded to check the license plate and found out that not only had the plates expired almost a year ago, but also the owner had a suspended driver's license.
Thank you. You got your registration card changed for the clerk?
I'm trying. I'm so sorry, sir.
Your fake cut had scared me when I walked up. Forgot tomorrow's Halloween.
Pardon?
I said your fake cut had scared me when I walked up.
Oh.
Forgot tomorrow's Halloween. I'm like, oh boy.
I know, right?
So, reason I got stopped, a few things. When you're sitting at the light back here to make the left,
Yeah?
you're all the way out in the intersection.
Oh, okay.
Like you were past the crosswalk, but you were on Toledo Blade for making the left.
Okay.
The tags on the car, is the car registered to you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, the tags on the car expired back in March,
Yes, sir.
or April, I'm sorry. And your license is suspended.
Yes, sir.
Did you know your license was suspended?
I apologize about that.
Okay. Do you have insurance on the car?
Yes, I do.
Okay.
Naomi tries to play it cool and tells the officer that she's just on her way to pick up her friend. But her outfit and the fake blood immediately tell a completely different story. Somebody should tell her she's not exactly the best liar.
Okay. So where's the club wristband from?
Pardon?
Where's the club wristband
Oh,
from?
that was from the other night. That was from like Friday, I think, or something. Yeah.
So work on your insurance. I'm gonna see why your license is no good, and we'll go with it from there. Okay?
I'm sorry.
All right. Do me a favor, hop out real quick.
Yep.
Let's have a conversation. All right. We'll come right back over here so we don't get hit. All right. So, listen. Tonight's not my first night doing this.
Okay.
Where are y'all really coming from tonight? Because your eyes are bloodshot and glossy. Your speech is slightly slurred.
I'm just very tired, that's all.
There's alcohol coming off the gut. Okay? Check your eyes. Do a couple exercises. Make sure you're good. Okay? Cool with that?
The officer proceeds to conduct a horizontal gaze nystagmus test. This is one of the most commonly used methods of a field sobriety test. A person under the influence would have a prominent jerking in an eye when gazing to the side, caused by alcohol pressuring the nervous system. The officer then proceeds to run further field sobriety tests, and Naomi chooses to take off her boots. Little did he know that soon he'd have the chance to see her take off more than just her shoes.
What's your highest level of education?
I did a bachelor's degree in economics.
Okay. So, is it safe to assume you're familiar with the English alphabet from the letter A to Z?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you think when I tell you to, do you think you could recite the English alphabet from the letter A to Z in a non-rhythmic tone? So not singing the alphabet song, just saying A, B, C, D. Think you can do that?
Yep.
Okay.
Yes,
So with your feet and heels together, arms down to your side, I want you to tilt your head slightly back, close your eyes, and recite the alphabet from the letter A to Z.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, Z. XZ, sorry.
Okay.
I'm from Switzerland. I mean,
I
it's
got
a little different. I'm sorry.
How long you been in America?
For 3 years now.
Okay. Did you come over like initially on a student visa and then stayed kind of
I have a green card.
thing? Okay, I got you. So staying with your feet and heels together.
Yes.
What I want you to do is make a fist and bring your arms up like this. Point your pointer fingers out. All right. Can we agree that this is the tip of your finger?
Yep.
This is the pad of your finger. This is the tip of your finger.
Yep.
Can we agree with that?
Yes, sir.
And then can we agree that this is the tip of your nose? This is the bridge of your nose. These are the sides of your nose. This is the top of your lip.
Yep.
So we're in agreement where the tip of your finger and tip of your nose are, correct?
Yep.
Okay. So leaving your arms like that, or your pointer fingers out, I just want you to hold your arms down your side. When I tell you to, I'm going to tell you left or right. Whatever side I tell you, I want you to take the tip of that finger, touch the tip of your nose and then bring it right back down your side. Okay? So if I say left, you'll take the tip of your
Then
finger
left.
to tip of your nose, right back down your side. Right, tip of your finger, tip of your nose, right back down your side.
Okay.
Make sense?
Yep.
Okay, any questions about that?
No, sir.
So tilt your head slightly back. Close your eyes. Left. Right. Left. Right. Right. Left. Okay. One last thing. Staying with your feet and heels together, arms down to your side. Do you think if I give you a number to start on, you can count backwards to another number?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, I want you to tilt your head slightly back, close your eyes, and I want you to start on the number 46 and count backwards to the number 29.
Right now?
Yeah.
46, 45, 44, 43, 42, 31, 40, 39, 38, 39, 38, 37, 36, 6, 35, 34, 33, 32, 31, 30, 29, 28.
Okay. What number, do you remember what number I told you to start the top on?
You said start at 38 and then start at 49 and I forgot what the second one. So
Okay.
I just didn't
I got
really.
it. Just do me a favor, put your hands behind your back. Put your palms together like you're praying. You're under arrest for DUI. Okay? DUI.
But I am not drunk or anything.
Okay, I'll explain it all to you, mate. Just look back forward. I'm going to take your watch off, okay?
But I did everything
Okay.
that you asked me to, right?
You did everything that I asked you to, but all those exercises you performed,
Yeah.
I look for indicators of impairment, okay? And tonight, you have exhibited enough indicators of impairment to believe you are not safe to operate a motor vehicle, okay?
But I was just, I just didn't remember the
I'm
number.
going to lock these so they don't get any tight on you.
It wasn't just a number. Okay. So,
Please, sir, I can't have a DUI. Please.
okay.
I'll do everything. I promise. Sir, I'm from Switzerland. I can't have a DUI, please. I don't want to get out of, I don't want to get kicked out
Wait
of the
until I
US.
have a white female temp 1571.
I understand. I won't do that until, please, sir.
But you...
I literally stop.
You're not
and have
even. You're
somebody
not.
pick me
You're
up.
not even supposed to be driving in the first place. You have 5 different suspensions on your license. You have an insurance suspension and 3 fail to pay traffic tickets.
I
So I'm
promise.
not gonna
I'll
sit
have
there and-
somebody pick up me. Please.
We're past that.
But I will not have anybody. Please don't charge me for DUI. I promise I'll have somebody pick me up. Please. I'll leave my car here, like you said you would.
We can't leave a car here, and I never said we would.
Or no, but I mean like I have the car.
Well, the car can't be driven anyway because there's no insurance on it.
But yeah, exactly. But like I'll have to. Please take the DUI off, please, sir. I promise have somebody pick me up.
It's out of my hands.
That should have been done before you left, wherever you left, okay? You can't be driving like this. This is how people die.
I understand, sir, but I wasn't drinking or like I wasn't thinking I would cause an accident or anything.
On a scale of 0 to 10, 0
Yeah.
being stone cold sober,
Yes.
10 being the most drunk you've ever been in your
Yeah.
life, where would you put yourself? You are going to jail for DUI.
Please, sir, please.
It's out of my hands.
I'll pick myself up, please, sir. I don't want to go out of the U.S., please. Please, sir, it's gonna ruin my whole life.
A DUI does not mean that you're gonna up and be deported.
Yes, because I'm from Switzerland. I'm on a green card. I'm not.
Wait, hold on. Please start at 1070 location, please.
I'm on a green card. I'm not on a.
So,
Please, sir. I promise I'll have myself pick me up. You can take my car, please, sir.
it's out of my hands tonight, okay? So let's go ahead and walk back in.
But you're the one arresting me, right?
Yes, I am the one arresting you, but the decision to make the arrest is already out of my hands tonight. So let's walk back in.
Why?
Because everything we've done tonight is on video. Everything. The car, both of us, we're videoing everything. We're not.
I have a camera here. I
But
have
you
3
can still
cameras.
make your decision about why you're going to arrest me for what.
And here's the thing: just because you get arrested doesn't mean you get convicted of this. Okay? So take a breath. Okay? This isn't the end of it. Okay? You still have a day in court. You'll still be able to fight this. He's going to give you an opportunity.
I promise I'll have somebody pick me up.
What's
please.
going to happen?
I don't want to go
Listen,
to jail,
let me explain this to you. So when we
Please.
get down to the jail, I'm going to give you the opportunity to submit to a breath test, to blow in a breathalyzer. That is your opportunity to prove me wrong, prove me that you are not drunk, and you are safe to operate a vehicle. But
Please, sir. It's going to ruin my life career, please, sir.
It's hard not to feel sorry for Naomi, but let's not forget it was her own decision to sit behind the wheel. The officers stood their ground and proceeded with the arrest. Naomi's Halloween outfit was quite revealing, to say the least. The officers even offered to put some clothes around her. But this was when Naomi decided to make them a truly unusual offer.
do you have a pair of shorts or something in here that we can put on to cover you up a little bit?
That jersey. I'll put that on her.
Please, sir, please. I'll take everything off. Please don't charge me, but I don't want to go to jail. Please, sir.
I don't want you to take everything off.
Please, sir, not tonight, please.
I'm gonna.
I promise I'll have somebody pick me up and drive me home. I promise.
I'm gonna show you a little bit of decency and cover you up a little bit.
You
don't want to go into jail looking like that.
Please, please.
Ma'am, there's nothing we can do. It is completely out of our hands, okay?
Yeah, but you
listen.
can make a decision about arresting me. I promise I'll have somebody drive me home.
Listen,
I promise, please.
we didn't do this. You put yourself in this situation. We're just a consequence of your decisions tonight, okay? I'm happy that you're going to jail and that you're not in a body bag or that you didn't kill a family driving up the road.
I really want to kill myself. I don't want to be in this situation. I really want to be dead. I really don't want to be in this situation.
Okay.
No one wants to be in this situation, but you need to take this as a learning experience.
No.
Okay?
No. Please, sir.
Let's walk back over. No,
Sir,
this way.
please.
This way.
Ma'am, there's nothing we can do, okay?
No.
Come on, please.
No.
Don't make this any.
By not going, you're just gonna make it worse.
Because the pulling away and everything is another charge. Okay. So let's just be an adult.
I promise
and take
I'll do everything. I cannot. Because the thing is, if I'm from Switzerland, I can't have a DUI. I promise you.
I'm gonna ask you one more time to walk to my car, and then I'm gonna make you go to my car. Okay. So please, let's just be an adult about this and go to my car.
But the thing is, if I'm from Switzerland, I can't have a DUI.
Okay. That does not
change the charge.
There's nothing I can change it to.
Like we said, you're being charged with it. You're not convicted of anything. Okay, we don't convict people. You can get an attorney, you can go through court, you can do everything that you need to do to still stay here, okay? This isn't the end of this. Okay, I promise you that. Have you ever been in trouble before?
Yes.
For what?
Well, I've been in a bad situation where I've been in a car where like there was apparently cocaine like found, but I was just in the car. I didn't know about it.
Okay.
But
so,
I got out of it.
Your car's going to be searched. Is there cocaine in the car tonight?
No, sir.
Okay.
I did not have anything in it. I wasn't charged of it.
Okay.
I got away
You were just
with
there.
It. Yes, exactly.
Okay. Okay.
So I didn't get charged with anything.
So you kind of know how the system works. Just because you get in trouble tonight doesn't mean that this is going to still be you in trouble in a week or 2 weeks or 3 weeks, right? There's a process to this. But tonight you are going to go to jail. Okay. There's no way that we can get around that.
Why not? I promise I'll have somebody pick me up.
We're way beyond that. Where'd you leave? A bracelet. So you were at a bar or a club tonight. What's the yellow bracelet?
That was from Friday.
Okay.
That was already lost. That was a couple nights ago.
So you were just at a Halloween party tonight? I believe you.
I promise. That bracelet was from 2 nights ago.
Okay. I believe you. I'm not saying that's not true at all.
It's very clear you were at a Halloween party night.
Yes.
There's
why we covered you, because you are going to go to jail. Okay.
Is there nothing we can do about at least have somebody pick me up or something?
No.
I cannot be, but I'm from Switzerland. I cannot be.
Okay. And I'm from New Hampshire. And if I were driving drunk tonight, I would go to jail too.
I know, but if I have a DUI, I cannot live here anymore.
Okay, like I said, you're not being convicted. You still have your day in court. Okay. He's going to give you an opportunity to blow into a machine, and it'll tell us whether or not you're driving drunk tonight, right?
Not even Naomi's 100th attempt to work on these cops, they are all fair and square. And even went beyond the comforter by exclaiming their subsequent procedures. By the way, have you noticed the cops look like twins? Anyway, Naomi was placed in the back seat of a police vehicle while the officers searched her car, where they found a small whiskey bottle and a can of hard seltzer. Not surprisingly, both were empty. Naomi was then transferred to a police station where she refused to provide a breath sample. Failing to provide a breath sample is a serious criminal offense, which can result in up to 6 months of imprisonment. What do you think about this girl's actions? Please express your views for discussion in the comments section below. Thanks for watching. Until next time.